You over the house?
Leave it alone, Aiden.
Max, are you sleepy? Oh my gosh, he's really snoring. Max? Max. Hey, man. Does he sleep at night? He has his eyes open.
Oh, boy.
Oh, no, he doesn't.